Good morning everybody. How are you lovely people? So today is August the 8th, 9:54 a.m. I am in Mississauga right now with Jagraj Singh. Hey, say hi.
Hello.
And we are going to for a very adventurous trip today. It's the African Lion Safari. I have been dying to go to this place, I think since last summers, right Jagraj? And I have always been telling him that I really want to go there. Finally, oh my god, it's coming. The plan is getting implemented. I'm so excited. So we are actually going to Cambridge, which is like 75 kilometers from Mississauga, a 55 minutes drive. The weather is quite pleasant today, but it's going to be a safari, so I don't think we are allowed to step outside, and we will be sitting in the car. So I think most of my vlog will actually be recorded within the car. So this place is basically a place which has all the animals without the cages: lions, rhino, monkeys, flamingos and whatnot. Like, I can't count it on my fingers. I was going through their website. It's African Lion Safari. As soon as we reach there, I'm gonna start it again. So we are 7 minutes away from the place. My level of excitement is like skyrocketing right now. When I was back home in India, I only visited zoos and stuff where they were in cages, and and this is one time, this is first kind of an experience for me, and even I think for Jagraj as well, right?
Yeah.
So yeah, I think it's gonna be a great experience. I have heard really good reviews about this place, and I hope the place is actually like that. But let's see how it goes. There you go, the first board. Oh my god, African Lion Safari entrance. Let's see, how far is it? 2 minutes, 2 minutes, 2 minutes. So here is the actual entrance, which says African Lion Safari. The price for tickets for adults is $27.95, and I think I paid around $70, including taxes. They actually have a time slot, in interval of 45 minutes. They do have time slots. I booked a time slot of around 10:45. So here is where they're gonna scan our tickets. So the lady just said that there is a risk of harm to your vehicles because there are wild animals around. Now this actually shoots up my excitement level even more. Okay, so the windows have to be up all the time. Oh my god. Okay, so that's how the animals are, all free. Here. Okay guys, I'll try to record in the best possible way I can because I'm recording everything from the car. But I'll try to capture as good quality as I can. There you go, there it comes. So look, the car is actually coming back because I feel like that little bird is right in front of the car. Okay, let's see where it is actually. Oh yeah! I'm the queen of the road. You guys manage whatever you want. I'm not gonna move from here, you bitches. Oh my god, look at that crown. Wow, that's really beautiful.
Simba Lion.
Simba Lion Country. That's exciting. The lioness is here. Dangerous animals. Please keep the windows closed.
Oh, I see the lion.
Where? Oh, I see that. Yes.
There's one more lion.
Oh my god.
That's actually.
Why the hell they're not moving so fast?
She's the lioness. That's the lion.
Okay.
This guy is the lion.
Okay, he probably knows who the lioness is because he lives with the lioness. So, guys, okay, we're gonna get near to the lion and the lioness.
Look at him.
Yeah,
Look
literally,
at him.
man. Okay, right there. Look at him sleeping. Such a cute baby. Oh.
Go pet him then.
No, I can't. I'm already petting one at home, so I can't. Lion. See, I called you a lion. You should be happy about it. Oh my god, I think now he is awake. Look at that. Okay, look at that. Wow. This is one kind of an experience, guys. If you are in Toronto or in Canada, man, you shouldn't be missing this. Holy. That's one. There are those two. So that's 2 and 3, and there are 2 right here. So I'm seeing 5 wild animals. I think there is just one sitting besides this one.
Yes.
Right besides this one, there is another one. Look at him sleeping. He's not really bothered. Okay, guys, you just come, watch me, watch the show, leave. I really don't give a ta. Okay, here. Oh shit, Jackie, that's moving. Look at that. Oi. Okay, look at these two. I don't know where to record, I don't want to miss anything. Oh my god, that's so exciting. They're taking vitamin D, soaking sunshine. Give me some sunshine. Man, this is kind of an experience. I think for $27.95, absolutely worth it. Okay, another lion country that we just entered is Timbawati. Oh my god, there's a white lion. I just saw it. Yeah. I think he's eating something.
He has a piece of meat. Oh wow, this looks beautiful.
Okay, there. I think there are oh my god, look at that. Oi. Look at that, looking at you. Jaggi?
Yeah.
Wow. Stop. Yup. Ow. There. Oh my god, what is it eating? Oh, that's a piece of flesh. There you go. Oh yeah. Buddy, I wanted that. Oh man. Just look at that. I've started recording from my cell phone only because my camera is giving me a little bit trouble. But that's fine. Okay, now we are entering Rocky Ridge Veld, and it consists of sheep, ostrich, zebra, giraffe, and the garage here. Look at the whole place. Okay, look at that. Is it coming towards our car?
I think so.
Are you guys doing okay? Yeah? Enjoying? Yeah? Okay. I'm probably gonna go to another car after this. Just wanted to give a quick check on you guys. Yeah. Look at the fur. Oh my goodness. Wow. Okay. Look what it is doing exactly. Okay, now they're moving. Okay, guys, move. It's our turn. Here, buddy. Oh my god. There. The lazy boy. The lazy lad. Oh my god, they're moving towards the family reunion, guys. Yeah. I'm the lazy boy. I'm the lazy lad. That's the loop of the cars that we are following. Yeah. Okay, there it is. That's the giraffe. And there are like 5 or 6 more there. Okay, we're getting closer.
Oh yeah.
Whoa! Oh my goodness! So much synchronized. So damn pretty. Can you really imagine that? Like maybe 18 feet apart. Here it comes, the beauty. And here comes another one. Gorgeous. Okay, we are gonna go towards the zebras now. Ooh, that's so close. So damn gorgeous. Very nice. Such an amazing experience. Totally unforgettable. Really good.
I am a warrior. I am a warrior.
Okay, now we are entering the Australasia. So Jagraj made an absolute right guess that it's actually kangaroo because we are in Australasia. Yeah, that's what the name was. Okay, right there. Yeah, thank you for getting a little closer. Wow. Oh my god, look at that scratching. I know, look at that little one scratching right there. Chicky. No. There's another one, right here. Oh, that's so cute. So now we are actually walking inside this place where they have all the other animals. I don't know if it's in the cage or what, but they have, I think, Asian elephants. They have a bathing space for them. They do have some flamingos. So we are just walking. Let's see. Right there. What is it called as? Barn owl. Ullu da patha. Boy. Okay, so this one is a marabou stork, and it says with a wingspan of 10.5 feet. It is tied with an Andean condor for longest wingspan of all land birds. I literally thought it was a statue or something, but this is a real bird. Yo, the actual flamingos, man. So pretty. Here comes the elephant. Keep your distance, please stay one line apart. They're playing right there. So that basically calls for the end of the trip today. It was really good. It was a great experience, an amazing experience, I must tell you guys. And yes, I think if you guys are planning to visit here, I would say it's a must visit. So much fun. I think we spent like around 3 hours or so, and within the 3 hours we were able to cover the horse sanctuary, and then we parked our car, had some food, walked around the area to see the flamingos, to see the elephants, some birds. Well, we'll see each other soon next week. Until then, take care. Bye.